Great morning. Welcome back to another episode of Fox Foodies. Today I'm Chef Aubrey. We'll be preparing our smash burgers on the stove today. We're going to start preparing with, we got 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to season to your liking, however you like. I love the voila sauce. We're going to roll these out into about 4 ounces of rolled patties, and then we're going to smash these on top of the stove today. Get those going. I have my stove set to about a medium high to get this real nice and hot. I also put the dome on it to go ahead and speed up the process a little bit. And on my cheeses, I use 2 cheeses. I use my American cheese and my white American cheese to make this super, super cheesy and a great burger. We also made a bacon ranch fry today. We got the small new potatoes. I cut those in 4 quarters. Each potato, I actually use the air fryer with these as well. Just use the regular fry set on the air fryer. I think it cooks about 12 minutes and they'll be perfectly crisp. And also what I do is I take a mixing bowl, I melt 1 stick of butter, and I add my ranch pack seasoning, and we're gonna get that a good toss. I chop up some bacon, and I'm gonna put that on top, as well as my mixed cheese. As I put that in the oven and melt the cheese on top, I'm also gonna complete this dish with the little ranch topping, drizzle on top. And then we're gonna stack these patties on top. And here with my toasted bun, I went ahead and made my sauce on both sides of the bun, equally put that out. We're gonna add 2 slices of bacon. And now it's time to place my patty. Now that's my meat placed on the bun, I'm gonna go with my pickles. I'm gonna go with leaf lettuce, an onion, tomato, and then my top bun. Here we go, a double smash burger with our loaded ranch potato fries. You can find this recipe and a full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.